If your New Year resolution for 2022 is to finally put some money aside and grow your wealth through investing the right way, then you're in the right place. Coming up. Have you been fooled by numerous YouTube day trading gurus into believing that you can make 7% return per week every week and turn $100 into $100,000 or even millions in just a year? Have you lost money day trading? Have you spent money on day trading classes offered by these gurus and tried the strategies which don't work at all? Are you tired of losing money and finally realize that there's no easy way to make money through investing? Have you finally matured and are ready to invest the proper way with proper companies? Are you ready to be patient and to put in the hard work in order to get those crazy returns that you desire? Welcome to the channel. My name is Trey and I'm a real estate, stock, and crypto investor. I also swing trade from time to time, but that's only for fun. If you find this channel helpful, please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Please remember that content on this channel is not financial advice and it is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Make sure to contact your financial advisor prior to investing your hard-earned money. Now, I invest my money with over 7 different companies and I'm hoping to take you on a journey through all of them throughout 2022. Today, I want to encourage you to check out my favorite investment platform by the name of, you guessed it, Fundrise. I actually have a playlist dedicated specifically for investing with Fundrise that has over 27 videos on everything and anything you need to know before, during, and after investing with Fundrise. Link to the playlist is down in the description below. In this video, I will quickly go over what investing with Fundrise actually is and why you should consider this as part of your portfolio. Fundrise is a private, crowdfunding real estate investment platform, which means that the company accumulates money from us, the investors, and then buys real estate properties and land, which they then develop, improve, rent, and ultimately then sell for a profit. When you invest with Fundrise, you're investing in private e-REITs and e-funds that are not publicly traded on the stock market. Investing with Fundrise is long-term, think at least 5 years, and it's for low-time preference people, which means you should expect to make automatic monthly deposits and then forget about that money for the next 5, 10, or even 20 years. This type of investment will not keep you up at night, you will not be stressed, and you will not be checking your phone 27 times a day to see how your investments are doing. If you have a full-time job and just don't have the time or the nerves to deal with the daily swings of the traditional stock market, then investing with Fundrise is for you. Now, let's talk about what you can expect from investing with Fundrise and why you should consider it to be part of your portfolio. First, recent updates to the Fundrise platform allow one to start investing with just $10, down from the previous $500 as of August of 2021. You essentially have nothing to lose. Sign up with Fundrise using my referral link to get 90 days commission free. My referral link is down in the description below. After you open the account, deposit $10 and evaluate your returns on percentage basis for a year. I guarantee that after 1 year or even sooner, you will be tempted to invest more money. If by any chance you decide it's not for you, you can withdraw $10 that you deposited and only pay 10 cents in penalty for withdrawing prior to a 5-year waiting period. Now, second, there's a flat 1% penalty for withdrawing your money prior to a 5-year waiting period. This is because Fundrise actually invests the money into real estate, which is a relatively illiquid investment. And so it takes time for them to buy, sell, and develop the property. So your money cannot be moved in and out as in a traditional stock market. So this penalty was 5% prior to August 2021 and has been lowered to 1%. Take advantage of this opportunity. Third, From its inception in 2010, you can expect 8 to 12% average annual return with Fundrise. However, in 2021, we saw a 30% return or more. I have a whole video about this massive return linked down in the description below. In general, Fundrise either matches or outperforms the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones Industrial. 4. As of October 2021, there are over 200,000 active investors, which is up 30% just from a year before. There are 212 employees, which is up 69% from a year before. And there's over $2 billion in assets under management, which is up 52% from a year before. It can safely be concluded that the company is growing and it's not stopping anytime soon. And last but not least reason to invest with Fundrise is something called the Fundrise Ipo. Fundrise Ipo stands for Internet Public Offering. As mentioned before, Fundrise is a private company, which means it is not traded on a stock exchange. While Fundrise Ipo is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity which allows investors to buy shares of a private company, aka Fundrise in this case, before it goes public. Every so often, you as an investor will be offered an opportunity to buy shares of Fundrise the company, all in hopes that it will eventually go public and the shares we bought early will be worth a fortune down the road. For more details about Fundrise Ipo, please check out the link to my video down in the description below. So let's summarize. By investing with Fundrise, you invest in a long-term, illiquid, exponentially growing, low time preference, private company that allows you to invest in e-REITs and e-funds with just $10 and either matches or outperforms the general stock market. Fundrise has a low 1% penalty for early withdrawal. It's structured as a first in, first out instead of a last in, first out, and offers you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to buy shares of a private company before it goes public. So ask yourself, why are you not investing with Fundrise? I myself have over $110,000 invested with Fundrise, and you should too. To me, it looks like you have nothing to lose. So click that referral link down below, sign up, deposit $10 and watch your money grow. I'm confident that you will enjoy Fundrise investing and will be tempted to invest more money in just a few months. If you have any questions at all about investing, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will reply to all comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.